Hey man, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. It is currently 9:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm gonna take a trade in front of you, and unlike all these fake gurus who will just flex on you and not teach it to you, I'm gonna take the trade in front of you and obviously teach it to you step by step, because I started this channel to actually teach my younger self, because my younger self would have wanted to see these kind of videos to become profitable fast, okay? So, man, you know what? Enough talking. The market is about to open. Let's get into the markets, take a trade, and teach it to you step by step, all right? Let's go. I just bought on NASDAQ. I'm looking for the price to go up. We have this all-time highs respect of the trend, but I'm going to only target like 1 to 2 risk-short ratio trade, all right? Yo. Yo. That's what we do, man. That's what we do. That's what we do, boys. That's what we do, boys. W in the chat, guys. W in the chat. All right. As you can see, this is Monday, and perfect price action. Literally top tier. Alrighty. So quick little trade recap so you can learn. So as you can see, net PNL, meaning that what I actually made, and this is the PNL. So after the fees, I made like 1.9k. So that's pretty good profit, especially for a Monday. As you can see, I didn't even de-risk that much for a Monday. Usually I do that if I trade on Mondays. Normally I don't even trade on Mondays. But the movement was just so nice, okay? And we saw all the respect. So what did I do? This is literally the most simple as Ariel Cash as strategy, not as strategy, but super nice, super simple. How did I do that? Look at this. What is this? This is an option, right? If you look at the higher time frames, why is this loading so much? Yo, what's going on? All right, my bad. So as you can see, 1 hour is actually bearish because we close below that, but it doesn't really matter. Why? Because if you look closely, 4 time frame is bullish. Everything is bullish. We literally have this fair value gap right here, and we just continue to respect this pace. We're in an uptrend in the 4 time frame, daily time frame. Daily time frame is in a very, very nice uptrend. High highs, high lows, high highs. And the more high highs, high lows, high highs we see, the better, obviously. But right now, we gotta focus on this moment, obviously, as day traders. Session opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Normally, I don't trade on Mondays because there's no volume. But today, we saw this huge session open candle, which indicates that, holy shit, this is freaking nice. And we continue that pace. Then we took out this high in the 1 hour time frame. Actually, this is a 4 hour time frame high as well. Up candle followed by down candle high. This is a 1 hour freak. This is a 1 hour time frame high. So that's a lot of liquidity. But the price does a rejection. I mean a retracement, and then continues up. So it's a fake out. A lot of the people shorted the markets right here got fucked essentially. Okay, but we don't do that. We don't enter immediately off of liquidity. We gotta wait. We see this rejection candle push up, meaning that buyers are still in the markets, pushing the price up. And this was just a higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. Broke structure right here. And that's good enough for me, because this is super. We see from these candles that the buyers are literally in the markets. Size of the candles, the consistency of the candles, everything is on point. And naturally, the more you trade, you start to see these patterns, you start to see these movements, and you sort of get that market intuition. It is hard to explain, but this is just dream price action right here on a Monday, on a no news Monday. Okay? If you have been following me for a while, you know that I don't trade on Mondays, almost never. I just came from outside. Right? I was playing football. Then I checked the price action, looking so clean. Let me take a trade. And now, what can you do? Could have continued to look for buys, but naturally I'm not that kind of person who is just here forever. Like, I'm not gonna take a lot of trades, especially on a Monday. I'm gonna take the 1 to 2 risk-short ratio. Sometimes if it's a huge MSS, market structure shift, from a liquidity, from an uptrend to a downtrend, I could take a sniper entry. But 1 to 2 risk-short ratio is good enough for me. And obviously, this is one thing. Since there's no liquidity to grab onto on all-time highs, you gotta just choose your risk-short ratio. And obviously, you should risk less. But this price action was just so amazing. So I risked pretty much the normal amount. Okay, 2K GG's. Okay, I really hope you learned from this recap / live trade from today on Monday. Like I said, I normally don't trade on Mondays, but today was an exception. Okay, very good price action. You saw that, or I hope you actually also profited from this one. But man, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, man, thank you for watching. As usual, I will see you on the other side. And by the way, if you want to get my free course, click the link in the description, the video. Okay, peace out.